Time to take a trip outside Lima, my first one. So today I'm on my way to Lunahuana, if I said it correctly. I can never say it correct. This little pueblo is about 3.5 hours outside of Lima in the mountains. And so we had reservations at this place called the La Confianza Hotel. Unfortunately, when we got there, I found out that I booked the hotel for the weekend in the future and not the current weekend that I thought I did. So we walked around and checked the place out while we were already here. It was a great little place. It was rustic, had a nice little restaurant, little cabanas with great views of the mountains all around us. The receptionist was very gracious and let us get out of our reservation. Meanwhile, I booked us into another hotel called the La Molina, which was highly rated as well. This little gem was just right down the road from the La Confianza Hotel, and it had a beautiful setting. It was very clean and very classy. I really liked it. Once we checked in, we were pretty hungry after a long day's drive, and decided to get something to eat at the El Molino's restaurant with a great view. So we're getting ready to have some lunch here at this hotel.
Yeah?
Yeah. And it's an unbelievable afternoon. Totally beautiful. We finally got around to ordering lunch, and Erica ended up with a chicken souffle and me a chicken chaufa. Chicken chaufa is a popular Peruvian dish. It's basically chicken fried rice. Eggs, rice, chicken, green onion, carrots, peas, and soy sauce. Erica ended up ordering chicken chupe. It's basically rice, chicken, onions, tomatoes, like in a sauce with juca and a pisco sour to the side. After a hearty lunch, we went back, got changed into our bathing suits, and decided we were going to go out, enjoy some of the sun and peace and quiet alongside the pool while I send the little birdie drone up into the air. For pretty much the rest of the day, we laid by the pool listening to the sounds of the cascading river, took the drone up for a little while, and then we ended up having dinner and planned for tomorrow, which we plan to go horseback riding in the mountains around Inca ruins. So stay tuned for our episode next.